Now, very quickly, before we look at working with text views, I just want to show you how to open up the sample projects that come with this course. Essentially, there are two ways to do it. So if I start by closing down the current project, which I just do by File, Close Project. So you can see we're taken back to the Android Studio menu now with a quick link to the app that we created. But if we didn't have that quick link there and I wanted to open an existing project, I would just click that option and then find the project, i.e. find the sample project that you've downloaded. And then I know it's in Android Studio Projects. And then if you've downloaded the project and unzipped it, it should appear right there with the name of the app. And then you just click OK, and that will open up the project for you. The other way to do it is to find the file that you've just downloaded. So in my case, it's here in Android Studio Projects, and then open up the folder and double click on the build.gradle file. And that will then allow you to essentially import the project from the Gradle file, which essentially just creates the Android Studio project for you to work with. The first option, opening from Android Studio, is a little bit faster, so I'd recommend going for that one over the second, but either will work absolutely fine. So here we are back in our project. It's likely that when you open it up, you'll see this big blank screen, so you'll need to bring in project and then open up the app structure to get at whichever file you want to edit to see how the app looks. All right, so that's how we open and work with the sample projects and with Android Studio projects in general. In the next video, we'll see how to work with text view widgets and customize them to our desire. See you there.